Meaning of hematite.
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 Hematite. Hematite is a mineral composed primarily of iron oxide and is commonly found in rocks and soils. It typically appears as a shiny, metallic, dark gray or black color and has a high density and hardness. Hematite has been used for centuries as a pigment and in jewelry due to its unique properties. In addition to its aesthetic qualities, hematite has also been found to have medical benefits, such as improving blood circulation. Overall, hematite is a versatile and valuable mineral with a rich history.